Okay, so we've got a hive here. 2 weeks ago I was checking the progress of the Apivar treatment, and we had 7 mites on this hive and no mites on any of the other hives. So something's obviously gone wrong with the treatment in this hive. So we commenced with some oxalic acid, which is, they've had 2 lots of that. So this weekend will be the 3rd weekly dose of oxalic acid vapor. And at the same time I'm going to get in and sample again just to make sure that the mite level has reduced. If it hasn't, we'll be throwing some Vaporization strips in and scratching our heads as to why the Apivar hasn't worked in this specific hive. So I hope you enjoy. This hive, more than some of the others, likes to make propolis.
Should put a mat in them, or was it too?
So that's a good frame of brood. Queen cup. So they're emerging on this side. I reckon that one.
She's on there, right?
Is she?
Yeah.
So she is. Very good.
Will you roll her?
We won't shake that one.
No.
Brood on there. Just the emerging brood on that side. Right. What we're going to do, I'm going to take this on the top. Get that one ready. So these are all just near emergers.
Yep.
No, it's been opened and then recapped. It's healthy underneath. Side all looks good. 2 tablespoons.
Hey,
Donald. So I take it that's not oxalic acid then?
No, this is not oxalic acid. We've just been joined by kiwi fruiter.
You have. You should feel special.
We've got 2 tablespoons of icing sugar in there. You give the bees a pretty decent coating. Give them a chance to start grooming. Try and get the stuff off them. I guess it's some sort of an irritant to them. Forces them to groom. Bit of a shake. Get the sugar right in amongst all their plates.
I'm told that you need to shake it quite hard.
Yes, you do have to shake it quite hard later, but at the moment what I'm trying to do is just get the sugar throughout the bees, because it's their natural grooming process which is going to dislodge most of the mites. When it comes to getting the mites out of the jar and into the water, that's when you've got to shake it quite hard, because at that stage you're trying to push the mites down through the bees and out through the grill into the water. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. What I'm going to try and do is show you. It's looking not too bad so far. Got 1 mite so far. So the bees are getting a fairly hard time of it at the moment. But this is very encouraging. Just a single mite. 2 weeks ago this was 7 mites from a sample. And I'm happy to call that just a single mite. Get on the end of my finger there. Single mite. Is it alive? Yes it is, it's moving. So that's a single live mite, which tells me that the oxalic has had an effect. I'm not going to commence with the Bavrol. I'll just continue with the oxalic. I'll get another couple of doses of that, and I'll get sampled again when the Apivar comes out of the rest of the hives. So oxalic acid, I'm going to do a 1/4 teaspoon per brood box. So obviously 2 brood boxes, 2 1/4 teaspoons, which just about fills the cavity on here. So this is the Venom Pro. It's a little bit different from other vaporizers. It uses a heating element around the outside rather than a diesel, rather than a sort of a diesel igniter. Now I've got little mouse guards in here, which I'm just going to remove one. Slide this in through my entrance reducer into about the middle, and we'll get ready with the clock. I've already got entrance reducer on, so I'm not going to bother with blocking up the holes. time. And as you can see, all of the oxalic acid has been vaporized.